Part 4 of MLA Style. How to properly place a source quote in your paper. So we want to avoid what we like to call quote bombs. A quote bomb is when you randomly drop in a quote and the reader has no idea how it connects to the paper or where it came from. As the writer, we know why it connects, but if we do not make that known to the reader, then they're not going to see that connection. So in order to avoid making sure that we're not misleading the reader or they're not understanding it, we want to create what we like to call a quote sandwich, and that will fix it. So think of your sandwich with your two buns, the top and the bottom, and then your meat, cheese, lettuce, whatever else you put in the middle there. So thinking of that top bun, we want to introduce the quote. Who said it? Tell us something about the author, or make us know why this quote is important. Set it up. Choose words that accurately reflect the tone and attitude of the author as well. Then comes the middle part. Everything in the middle of that sandwich. That's where you insert your quote. And then that bottom bun is explaining that quotation. So what is the author saying? What does it mean? Why is it important? Again, use words that reflect the author's tone. Remember, in the end, we want to make sure that we're introducing, then inserting, and then explaining. Remember, you are using sources and quotes to back up what you're saying and to help you make your argument stronger. You also need to show the connection of the source. You don't want to use a quote just to fill up space. The reader needs to see and know the connection or relevance. And with keeping that in mind, we want to make sure that we don't have continuous quotes throughout the paper. We want to make sure that our paper is well balanced. So typically 70 to 80% of a research paper should be your own ideas and voice. And then the other percent will be quotes, sources that are going to help back you up.